Exploring the city lights. Understanding night on the town. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in movies, songs, or maybe in a conversation with a native English speaker. We're going to explore the meaning, origin, and use of the phrase, night on the town. Stay tuned as we unravel the excitement behind this expression and learn how to use it in our daily English conversations. Night on the town is a phrase that paints a picture of an evening spent enjoying the various entertainments offered by a city or town. This could include dining at fine restaurants, attending performances like plays or concerts, visiting bars or clubs, or simply walking and soaking in the vibrant nightlife. It suggests a sense of adventure and indulgence, often implying a break from the mundane routines of daily life. While the exact origin of the phrase, night on the town, is hard to pinpoint, it's widely believed to have emerged in the early 20th century, a time when urban nightlife began to flourish. This era saw the rise of theaters, cinemas, jazz clubs, and dining establishments that stayed open late, allowing people to entertain themselves well into the night. The phrase encapsulates the excitement and freedom associated with experiencing city life after dark. Incorporating night on the town into your English conversations can add a touch of sophistication and flair. Here are a few examples. Planning a special evening. For our anniversary, I'm planning a night on the town. Dinner at a fancy restaurant, followed by a Broadway show. Recalling an adventure. We had an amazing night on the town in New York City, exploring all the jazz clubs and late-night eateries. Suggesting plans. Feeling bored? Let's have a night on the town this Saturday and check out the new cocktail bar everyone's talking about. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and charm behind the phrase, night on the town. It's a wonderful expression that captures the essence of enjoying urban life to its fullest, perfect for those special evenings out. Whether you're planning a night out with friends or just dreaming about future adventures, this phrase adds a touch of excitement to any conversation. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Happy learning! And here's to your next night on the town.